Barbecue Nation. Barbecue Nation with my friend, food blogger Pushpak. You know him very well. So today we are here for Jhoom Barbecue Jhoom Kebab Festival. So I'm going to show you how many kebabs there are and how does that taste and what we all going to eat today. And about the Pushpak, I would put it in the description below. Please follow him. He's an amazing food blogger. Okay, the whole Barbecue Nation looks like this. Let me show you the whole restaurant. Barbecue Nation, you get a lot of starters. So if you are a seafood lover, I would really recommend prawns, which is my favorite. And since it's a Christmas week, so they have got this turkey, which I'll show you in the next video. They have made a meat of turkey. So बहुत सारा tasty उसमें like mutton, they have fish and lot of other non-veg item, which is been made in a very nice sauce and it tastes really yummy. And I am having this drink, which is cherry berry. Nice. पानी पूरी तो मैं पेट भर जाएगा। जाते हो लोगों को दिखता नहीं है इसमें बिरयानी एक नींबू चलता है। ये ट्राई नहीं किया। वो क्या है? मात्रा। That's it. Rubbish. No. If it's your birthday, come to Barbecue Nation. They'll give you a free cake which you can enjoy and they'll sing a song for you. Happy birthday to you. Of main course. After a starter you can have this main course. There is a lot of varieties in veg and non-veg. Also they've got lots of salad and dessert, which I think is there. शेफ ये क्या है और ये क्या है?
ऊपर के रोल है, राजमा सामने गुलाबी है, पनीर कलेजी टिक्का है, हवा है, पाइनएप्पल है, चीज़ फ्राई टिक्का है, चिली कुंभ है, कद्दू स्क्वैश पोटैटो है, पेरी पेरी टहरी है, तंदूरी बीन्स है, साउथ इंडियन फिश है, श्रीनगर चिकन है, मटन मोगलाई सीख कबाब है और कैरमन प्रॉन्स है।
थैंक यू। Yes, Pushpak, how was your feedback?
So today we are here at Zoom Barbecue Zoom Kababi Festival. So it was really a good experience today with all the varieties which they gave us, especially the mutton.
So much sweets.
Yeah, I mean, like after I ate all that starters and main course, it was really amazing. And now I'm going to have on this lovely desserts. I already had one of them, so that was something called gulabi jal.
Okay, that we have.
Yes.
That we have gulabi jal.
So I would like you to visit here from, which is the festival started from 20th December and it will be up till 5th January. Do visit.
Okay, cool. Thank you. There was rasmalai in that. Amazing friend. Okay, thank you for serving such a wonderful food. Thank you guys. If you like this video, do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.